quality in service,
excellence in care.
It makes us who we are.
It's our culture, the culture of teamwork and commitment to excellence.
Everything we do, we strive to look at through our patients' eyes.
For the last century, it's been our commitment to our community. We've always been the leader in introducing cutting-edge technology at the forefront of medical advances to optimize treatment outcomes. Our doctors teaming up with our nurses and allied health professionals to support our patients through their patient journey and catering to the total patient experience.
For 100 years, we have continued to grow from a single building in 1922 to a fully fledged integrated hospital with over 30 specialties, spanning from Happy Valley to the eastern part of Hong Kong Island. As the hospital grew, so has our mission grown. We offer the most advanced medical treatment, provide dedicated, experienced, and knowledgeable medical experts, and foster a patient-focused culture.
Our founding father, Dr. Li Shifan, was instrumental in the success of the hospital in its early days, pioneering Western medical techniques in Hong Kong.
His mission was to improve the health of the people. We continue on this mission by our donations to the medical schools, as well as participating in the teaching of medical students, specialist training, medical research, and reaching out to the community through service programs and charity drives. In the 1960s, Dr. Li Shifan was succeeded by his brother, Dr. Li Shipui, who took the helm and continued his legacy of excellence in health care. He also cultivated within the hospital a service culture of the Hong Kong Sanatorium Hospital spirit of pride and passion.
Our nursing school was opened in 1927, driven by a need for nurses in the community. In 1930, our first 3 trainees graduated with diplomas. Since then, we have trained thousands of nurses. The nursing school has its own programs and also partners with a local university to offer an accredited Master of Nursing program.
To promote nursing excellence, we foster on-the-job nurse training with internationally renowned institutions such as UCLA, UCSF, in broad range of specialties. The aim is to ensure that our nurses possess the cutting-edge knowledge and clinical skills. I'm confident that our tender loving care nursing tradition, giving their best to provide comfort and offer reassurance to patients and their families, especially at times of need.
Hong Kong Sanatorium and Hospital has developed a comprehensive framework for staff development and career advancement by engaging staff in service advancement projects and initiatives. We also emphasize the humanitarian nature of medicine, with a caring spirit being an integral part of all our services.
Our 3 T values, namely teaching, teamwork, and trust, have been shaping us as we grow together.
Beyond the nursing school, Hong Kong Sanatorium and Hospital's contribution to medical education in Hong Kong has been substantial. We have built long-term partnerships with the faculties of medicine of the University of Hong Kong and the Chinese University of Hong Kong to nurture doctors. We provide internship for 5th-year medical students. We also support specialist training and clinical placement for doctors in their pursuit of specialist qualifications. Over the years, we have also donated over $100 million to set up numerous professorships in 2 local universities and overseas institutions to promote medical teaching and research.
Partnerships have been extremely important to Hong Kong Sanatorium Hospital. For instance, we bring out practical clinical approach for the use of the most advanced medical equipment while we partner with the leading medical device manufacturers, thus driving collaborative innovation, sustainability, and growth in our medical institution.
With our abundant scientific and clinical expertise, Hong Kong Sanatorium and Hospital aspires to advance scientific knowledge and improve patient care by supporting medical research and creating new knowledge. Accredited by the National Medical Products Administration, we are currently the only private hospital with a state-recognized clinical trial center for conducting cancer clinical research, contributing clinical data for new drug development.
We have a long history of pioneering the most advanced medical technology in Hong Kong, ranging from the first generation of conventional X-ray machines, CT scan, ultrasound, and Hong Kong's first test tube babies in the in vitro fertilization center. Other notable examples are PET scan, tomotherapy, MR Linac, and in the future, proton therapy.
We at the Hong Kong Sanatorium are regularly accredited to maintain high standards. Hong Kong Sanatorium and Hospital participated in Trent, a British accreditation scheme in the early years, to maintain and evaluate standards of healthcare delivery. And since 2010, we have also been accredited by the Australian Council on Healthcare Standards. Our goal is to keep improving our services to meet the highest international medical standards.
We have a robust clinical governance structure with regular review and credentialing mechanism to ensure high expertise, objectivity, fairness, and of utmost importance, safeguarding patients' interests. Specialists at Hong Kong Sanatorium and Hospital work together across disciplines to solve serious, complex, or rare health issues.
We have a proud tradition of raising funds through our annual charity drives like Walkathon and Operation Santa Claus, and encouraging our staff to support non-profit organizations such as Children's Cancer Foundation and Senior Citizen Home Safety Association.
We attach great importance to the communication between frontline staff and the management. Knowing the patient's needs, we continuously work to support and raise the standards of patient safety, satisfaction, and quality of care. There are also other behind-the-scenes staff who have contributed to the total patient experience, including our chefs, janitors, and even laundry workers.
To better serve the community, we are coming online with the Eastern Medical Center. In the next 3 to 4 years, we will have a fully comprehensive hospital.
Hong Kong Sanatorium and Hospital will continue to build on the successes of the past 100 years and optimize clinical outcome and patient experience, expand our reach to the community. We will continue to advance knowledge about the underpinnings of human diseases, embrace medical scientific discoveries and innovations, and offer personalized care and support.